Hi everyone! Today, I'll be sharing with you our residential solar installation setup. So last year, we decided to invest in solar panels for our house, mainly to help reduce our electricity bills. So our electricity bills are ranging about 4,000 to 5,000 per month. Since electricity costs keep increasing, naisip namin na mas practical long-term ang pagkakaroon ng sariling solar system. So our setup is a grid-tied solar system, which means connected siya sa utility grid. So during daytime, especially kapag maaraw, our solar panels generate electricity from sunlight. And ito yung ginagamit naming power para sa mga home appliances and daily electricity needs namin. So kapag mas mataas naman ang napoproduce ng solar compared sa current consumption namin, yung excess energy can be exported back to the grid depending sa net metering setup nyo. So ito ay ibang application naman, yung net metering setup. During nighttime or kapag maulan and limited ang solar production, automatic naman na yung power namin is from the grid. So tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang electricity supply namin without any interruption unless magkakaroon ng power interruption from the grid or from Meralco. So one advantage of grid-tied systems is mas cost-effective siya compared sa may battery storage since wala nang need bumili at mag-maintain ng batteries. So far, malaking help na siya sa household expenses namin, especially during months na mataas ang aircon and appliance usage namin. If you want to know more about how solar system works, I will create a separate video to explain different type of solar system setups and kung ano-ano yung mga major components na included doon sa system na yon. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.